Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's May the 7th, 2023. Here to talk about Block today, formerly known as Square. Could this stock continue to plummet? Let's talk about it because I did a video in Block right there on March 24th, 2023. This is when Hindenburg came out with their short report on Block. And you guys can actually tell that that report really didn't have a massive impact on Block's price. In fact, the market bounced and went higher. Take a look at that. Isn't that amazing? You would think that what people perceive as negative would bring down the stock's price. But once Hindenburg sent out their report, yes, the price came from 76 back down to 60, but the market still held its weight. So maybe that report isn't supposed to be perceived as what some people may think. But check this out though. Because not only did the market do a short bounce in Block, it slowly came all the way back down to $60, to right where we started. So from ending of March to beginning of May, we are now right back where we started. So what do we think now? Well, first, let me go ahead and extend this prediction. And we're going to look at the market in Block on a weekly chart first. Okay, you guys can pretty much see it from a weekly chart. That no one is really coming into the market in Block yet. It's straight movement down. Nobody's coming into the market in Block. Right here is where the buyers should have continued their campaign to push the price higher, and they didn't do it. They're not here right now. Buyers have left. Okay, cool. Let's look at this on the 2 weeks then. Again, buyers have left. Now, this has been, I would say this area right here around 58 to $52.50 has been an area to where buyers are though. So I don't want you to think that Block is going to plummet massively, because there has already been history to where buyers were willing to buy Block there. They will probably do it again. Look at Blocks on the 3 weeks. Okay. So yes, I don't think the price in Block is massively weak. Even with the short report from Hindenburg, the buyers hasn't been dissuaded from it. They wasn't scared of the report. You would think that off of some type of information like that, that Block would have moved down substantially. Like, this is a very important area in Block. I cannot emphasize that enough. Look at how long Block has been trading around $60, $50, right? That is the reason why this market in Block is not crashing or plummeting. That's the reason. It's because going all the way back to like 2018, this is where institutional buyers are. Now, this market won't crack below 60 until those institutional buyers has completely emptied out their bags. So we may continue to see the market in Block just trade within that trading range. I will say of $50 all the way back up to 80 until that process is complete. Here's Block on a monthly time frame. So I'm still weak into the market in Block, but I don't think that the weakness to the downside is going to be swift or quick. I think it's going to be like on the weekly chart, you guys can see, like I showed you earlier, just a very slow, methodical movement down. Okay, that's what I'm looking at. All because of what has occurred back in 2018, 19, beginning of 2020, and now again. That's the reason. Okay, now, I'm not sure where my price targets are at in Block, so I recommend you all go and check out my last video, which is in the playlist, on March 24th to see where those targets are at. Okay, so give me your thoughts. I'm not changing anything though. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.